Today is March 26th and about 10:25 in the morning, and I'm at Onaona. Right. This is just right next to the Lanai food court. Right outside on the second floor. And here's a Macy's right there on the left. Right? One Maui divers. Yep. And I wanted to try it. So dessert time. Alright, let's take a look. See, I'll try one. I feel like getting a dessert. Okay, black sesame bingsu, Oreo, strawberry bingsu, mango bingsu, and so forth. So, you know, $14.95, so not bad. What I'll do is, I'll go have black sesame bingsu. Wow, that looks good. Alright, so, alright, there we go, I'm inside. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Hi. Hi, can I get the black sesame bingsu? Okay.
We're here to go.
For here. Oh, okay. Can you take 100? I'm short on smaller change.
No, I can't.
Okay, wait. I have a try it. Wait. Okay, I'm a little short on cash. Otherwise, so you accept credit card?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So got this right here. Alright, just insert. Alright. And with tax came out to $15.65. Okay. Yes. Alright. Here. So now she's making it, so I'll just wait for the order, and then here's the menu on top, right there. Okay, so and outside, the bar. Yeah, she's making it right in front of me, right there. Alright, so wait until it comes. Yep, there we go. I just got my receipt. It's $15.65, and that is tax included. Alright, so alright, there we go. My black sesame bingsu came out, and wow, this is a lot. Oh, that's so good. Very comparable to Jeju Bean downstairs at the the food court.
Yeah, right?
You know, after eating this, I definitely gonna have to walk a lot. But it's been a while since I had ice cream, shaved ice and such, so I'm treating myself. Oh, this is so good. bingsu and then small little mushroom thing. This is so smooth. Oh. Oh, the vanilla is so good. Oh, there's powder. Okay. This is marshmallow type. Small little square. They got nut. This is nut or small little nut pieces. Feels like tastes like cashew. No, almond. Here you go, bingsu. Right there. The bean. Yes, so good. Okay, guys. Oh, and the shea butter is fine too. Very good. Nice.
Vanilla ice latte. Thank you.
Wow. The bingsu is good. Very nice touch mixture with the shea butter. I say the quality wise is very comparable with Jeju Bing downstairs by the food court right outside. Wow, this is so refreshing. Man, it's so cold. I cannot eat real fast. Wow. I feel like brain freeze. so good. It just keeps going. I cannot speed up too much, but it's so cold. Rain freeze. Ooh, slightly feeling it. No, it's kind of funny. Diabetic eating a shave ice. Oh, I have to do a lot of walking today after this. But I know it is worth it. Wow, this is so good. If it wasn't being so cold and now worried about the brain freeze, wow, it's freezing my tongue too. If it wasn't that case, then I would eat a lot more faster. But this definitely is a 5-star. Oh, this is so good. I don't want to waste anything. That was good. Thank you for watching.